Welcome back once again to howtocookwithfood.com. On the menu today, really simple but super delicious. We're going to make cabbage, egg and spinach. Let's get moving. Okay, let's have a look at what we have here. So I've got roughly equal parts of white cabbage and fresh spinach. Now if you're using fresh spinach like me, always give it a nice wash in some cold water. There's lots of little bits of grit and nastiness in there, get that out. So yeah, the white cabbage, I think I've got like 4 or 5 cups of each. 4 eggs, 1 onion, 2 red chilies, optional, you don't have to put them in, 1 tablespoon of garlic, and then I've got a teaspoon each of thyme and chili powder. We're going to start this off with some oil, salt and pepper. That's it. It's so easy and it's delicious. Okay, so a bit of oil in there. You can use any type of oil you want. I'm using a sunflower oil. In goes the onion, in goes the garlic. Let's get some salt and pepper in there now. And on an above medium heat, let's just throw this around just for about 3 minutes. So just as these onions are softening and the garlic is slightly changing colour, we're going to drop in our white cabbage. Staying on this heat, let's throw this around for another 3 minutes. So our white cabbage is still crunchy, just starting to take. I'm now going to drop in a little bit of chili powder and dried thyme. Now of course you can be changing this to something else if you want, some other seasoning. Maybe even a little bit of curry powder if you wanted. Like I say, so many ways to go with it. Now we're going to get our fresh spinach. In that goes. And again, staying on this heat another 3 to 4 minutes. We might get a little bit of moisture now from the spinach as it breaks down, wilts and reduces. Keep it moving. Looking absolutely beautiful. Now I've still got a bit of a crunch on the cabbage. You can cook this a bit longer if you want, but I'm happy right here. I'm going to drop those chilies in. Now what I've done with those chilies, just cut them open like that, kept them whole. Chop it if you want. Then I've just roughly beaten the eggs and in they go. Medium heat, mixing it around. It's going to be maybe 4 minutes and then this beautiful dish is done. I'll see you at the table. Okay, and there you go, job done. Cabbage, egg, and spinach. Beautiful. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. Please do give us a thumbs up, and more importantly, leave us a comment and say hi. We want to know that you're safe and well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.